Hello students, we are dealing with a topic that is crop production and management, isn't it? So far we have discussed about the different tools which are used in the plowing process, in the tilling process, and we have seen what are the different agricultural practices that has to be done to get the good crops, isn't it? And in our previous class we have discussed about that is manure and fertilizers. So I hope you have gone through it and you are clear about what are manures and what are fertilizers, that is what is difference between them. Okay, so today we are going to discuss that is irrigation. We have seen some part of irrigation, but now we are going to learn what are the different sources of irrigation. So students, why do we need to study irrigation? Yes, because crops and plants, they cannot survive without water, isn't it? So irrigation is nothing but what? The supply of water to the plants or to the crops at different intervals of time. So that is nothing but what? Irrigation. So how are we going to do this supply, or how the supply of water is done to the field, to the farms? How it is done? So this is what we are going to study. So naturally, you all know that water is available in nature in different forms, isn't it? And in different, we get this water in different ways of water is available. Like we get water through wells, we get water through tube wells, then rivers, lakes, isn't it? So these are the different sources from where we get the water. So there are so many different sources, and these sources are naturally occurring sources, isn't it? Those are not man-made sources. So it is our duty to have education regarding how this source or how this water can be used in a proper manner at different intervals, and it is based on the different crops and the different season, isn't it? So we have already learned that how the water is useful. Like in rainy season we do not need more water, but during summer season or winter season we need more amount of water to make our crops grow healthy. So let us begin with this. Okay, so students, what is irrigation? That is the supply of water to the crops at different intervals. That is nothing but what? Irrigation. So what are sources of irrigation? The different sources from where we get the water is wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Okay, so these are the sources of irrigation from where we get the water for our plants. That is naturally occurring of these is very essential. So students, how the farmers make use of these sources of irrigation, that is how the farmers make use of these different sources, let us see. Okay, so water which is available in the wells, lakes and canal is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking it to the field. So cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So these methods are cheaper but less efficient, means the efficiency is not more. Yes, of course, the water taken from the wells or the water taken from the canals, for this the pump system is used, and here the pulley system is used for the wells. So this pulley system is done with the help of either the cattle or human beings. Okay, so here it is a cheaper method, but it is very less efficient. So what are the traditional methods? The traditional methods are the chain pump, then dhekli, or we call it as what? Dhekli, then mode system, that is pulley system, and rahat, that is lever system. Okay, so these different systems are used. There are the different figures in your textbook which will resemble the different systems. Okay, so pumps are commonly used for lifting water, diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy. And therefore, the solar energy is used for this to run those pumps. I hope you're clear about what are the sources of irrigation and what are the traditional methods used for this. Thank you.